Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. One, two, three.
I'm out. It has. It's going to be a long weekend. Yes. Today is Democracy Day. I'm home. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'll go take off this hair. I'll have a house party. I'm going to. Sunday, I have game fiesta at Polo Club in Port Harcourt. So, it's going to be a long weekend. So, come along with me. Okay? Okay? I'm just happy because I'm resting. No work today, tomorrow, next tomorrow. Unlike the weekends I work, I'm really happy I'm not working. So, come along with the girl. Okay? Oh, this morning. Me feels good working because you have tea at work. If I'm not watching television,
You don't have to put gel on your hair.
you put gel on my hair.
Yes.
So gel is not good to be on my hair. Yeah? They're asking me of you in the salon. They're asking me of you in the salon. They say it's been long they saw you. Let's go inside. Has the brother done his assignments? He finished it.
I just finished it.
Come inside. Come in, Molo.
I have to do your nails. So you finished this?
Yes, I finished. No, it's not been long. I finished. Come and close this other protector. Today, is there something wrong with me going out? I have a party for adults. I'm going to hospital. I'm serious. I'm going to the hospital. I'll go and carry auntie. You know she went to the hospital. She's not feeling well. Just look it. Did you just hear? Just look it. You see your brother is in the room. Doing what? People are watching cartoon. I know he's watching cartoon. When am I going to make your hair? So if I make my own hair, is it automatic that you make your own hair? Your hair is till next week, so... What is
It's old.
Your hair is old. Who said your hair is old? Huh? Hold yourself. Eh? Kiki, you didn't see my hair. Is it fine?
Yeah, listen.
You're not telling me that her hair is fine.
Yeah, goodness.
You're not telling me that her hair is fine. Your body is hot. Eh, Kiki, are you hungry?
Little.
Are you hungry?
I want to small.
Man, are you hungry? Are you hungry? You're not hungry? Okay, because you're watching cartoon.
Wait, Brenda.
What are you talking? Have one mad nailing me. See everywhere, people litter it and you leave it and go your way. Eh? I don't want this kind of building blocks everywhere, chair everywhere. Oh, this uniform, I couldn't iron it before leaving. I'm out. It has.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy
Birthday to you.
Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Years to you. Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! So what? So by the sound of S-U-L.
The perfect pancake. See, the perfect. I made the perfect pancake. Yes, I said it. Yes, happy Sunday, people. I make the perfect pancake. Yes, I said it. The D-Day is here, the game fiesta is here. So I'm making pancakes for breakfast. After that, I'll make jollof rice, obviously. Then later in the day, I should head out. So this weekend has just been filled with activities. And the activities. This is an unusual weekend. It's not the usual because you don't find me out every weekend. It's that I'm in the house cooking, doing the Lord's work as a mom. So I don't know, just am I the only one? My kids will finish this pancake on fire, but I'm just trying to get them. Oh my God. Cover it because my friend fan doesn't have a particular cover. Probably know that she's getting it done. I know how to. Perfect. Oh, right.
See, thank you.
Look at how.
It's in my mouth, Mimi. Oh, that's good. That's good.
I just finished from work and I said let me just talk about the game festa because that was a nice experience that we had. Thank God I went. So that's a nice experience. Jesus, Chico, what are you talking about? That it was so messy. To get our tickets wasn't an easy hustle. It was a hustle. Vlogging at that point was just the least thing, and the worst thing happened. My friend's slipper spots. Rather, my colleague, has slipper spots. So we had to go to the nearby store to look for his slippers and tell me why they didn't have anything reasonable other than slides and bathroom slippers. It wasn't easy. So after that, we went back. We had some fun though, but we didn't get to play any games because the place was so crowded. It was so crowded. The organizers did not put that into consideration. If you ask me, Chika, will you go for this again? I will say no, unless I'll see people that have gone for the next one and that they put things in place before I would consider going again. Cause tell me, what is this? What is this? Because the ticket fee was a bit affordable and everywhere was crowded. So if you watch this one, thank you so much. I've been feeling MIA. You guys don't understand because I've had lots of videos on my channel because it's really been a lot at this end. Life has been lifing, but thank God for the opportunity, time, and everything. Mom life has not just been easy. Work has been stressful, but nevertheless, we thank God for that. And hope you guys are good. How are you catching up in your area? Hope you're good and always pray, now. Always thank God for life and everything. So with that being said, thank you for watching. You guys know that I love you. Not subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you. Mwah.